Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a step-by-step tutorial that I want to share with you. I will be using all Sally Hansen Extreme Wear polish in the water marble, and I will be using Sashi Betty as my top coat. Prepare your nails with either a ridge filler base coat or just apply a white base coat. Now we will build our bullseye or your pattern by starting with a drop of white, then add a drop of green, followed by another drop of white and another drop of green. And keep following that pattern, and we will add in Bare It All in just a moment. This is the step-by-step tutorial, so I didn't speed anything up. You can check out some speedy tutorials on my playlist if this is a little too long. But here we're going to add in Bare It All, let it spread out. We're almost done. Add in another drop of green, another drop of white, and I'll add in another drop of Bare It All right in the center. And then I'll end with one more drop of white. Now you can move your polish to the side, and we're going to start to draw. Right here I'm just kind of helping it spread out. Now I'm going to start on the second green ring, and then I will drag to the center. And on the opposite side I will do the same. Dip in the middle and then start from that same second ring on top and go to the center, and then do the same on the bottom. That's the first step. Now go inside of each petal and drag to the center. Kind of just like you did before, you're just going within the petals that you've already created. And then go on the bottom and kind of push up to the center, and then do the same thing on the top. And that will be your design. And that's it. There is your water marble design. I'm going to turn the cup and select which area I would like to dip my fingers in. I'm going to dip two fingers, my middle and my ring finger, at the same time. To do both fingers at the same time, put your fingers together and lay it on the design and gently push down. I'll try to turn it around so you can get a better view, and clean up all the extra polish before taking your fingers out of the water. And sometimes you will see a bubble. It could be on your fingers, it could be on the nail. Try to take care of it before taking your fingernails out of the water. Sometimes if you add a top coat, all the paint that is built up will pop and you'll leave a big hole in your nail at the final step. Once you're done with that, take your fingers out of the water slowly, and there you go. There's your water marble design. This is also why I use liquid latex, because water marble is very dirty. Maybe messy is a better word, not dirty. Here I'm taking off the liquid latex. Grab my sponge, and I'm going to use the same colors that I marbled with, and I'll sponge them onto my index and pinky and thumb. For this water marble, I used Sashi Betty fast drying top coat. Go ahead and seal in your design and you will be all done. Thank you for watching.